In the world of manufacturing, every minute counts. Downtime and maintenance costs can impact your plant's productivity and profitability. But what if there was a way to unlock efficiency and reliability? Introducing our webinar on predictive maintenance for plants who feel they aren't ready yet. Join us as we embark on a transformative journey to optimize your plant's operations. Did you know that maintenance costs can range between 15 to 40% of total production costs? Reactive approaches can be expensive, but there is a better way. With predictive maintenance, you can save roughly 8% to 12% compared to preventative maintenance, and up to 40% compared to reactive approaches. Even with this, only just over half of industrial plants have embraced predictive maintenance with advanced analytical tools as a cost saver. By adopting predictive maintenance, you can harness the power of data-driven insights to enhance your operations. But it's not just about money. It's also about maintenance efficiency. We also understand the challenges of workforce shortages in the industry. Poor maintenance strategies can reduce your company's production capacity by as much as 20%. It's time to optimize your maintenance approach. With the average age of industrial assets in the United States reaching 20 years, it's crucial to ensure their longevity. Our webinar will guide you in implementing predictive maintenance strategies to increase machine life and reduce downtime. Unplanned downtimes cost an estimated $50 billion every year, impacting the bottom line of factories across the nation. But fear not, predictive maintenance can reduce machine downtime by 30 to 50% and increase machine life by 20%. Imagine the impact on your productivity, reliability, and profitability. Join us for our upcoming webinar on predictive maintenance for plants who feel they aren't ready yet, and let us guide you through the steps to optimize your plant's operations. Don't miss out on this opportunity to revolutionize your plant's maintenance strategies. Register now for our webinar and unlock the potential of predictive maintenance. Increase your efficiency, reduce your costs, and ensure the longevity of your industrial assets. Take control of your plant's operations and gain a competitive edge. Join us and embark on a journey to a more reliable and profitable future.